Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your PayPal application on your smartphone. Whether you are using your Android or iOS, this process will help you out to quickly log out of your PayPal app. First of all, launch open your PayPal application on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the human icon. This will now bring up the profile section. Go to the bottom of the screen and look for the logout button. Once you find it, click on it. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged out of your PayPal account and you'll be redirected to this sign-in page. Your session is now ended. That's how you successfully log out of the PayPal app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.